I'm Eli Burgett out here at Dayton City Hall, where earlier today residents presented a petition to build a new public hospital in West Dayton to city officials. And tonight we bring you the arguments for and against placing the issue on the November ballot.
Don't you care about the citizens who signed this ballot initiative, who want to make Dayton not only an economically feasible community, but a healthy one? And all you got to do is just pass it and let the voters decide.
Clergy Community Coalition President Bishop Richard Cox expressing what he calls the desperate need for increased medical care in his community. He says the coalition has been pushing to raise funds for a public hospital in West Dayton since 2018, and on Wednesday morning, they presented a petition of the required 1,284 valid signatures to the City Commission to get the issue on the November ballot. The coalition's plan involves imposing a one-millage property tax levy on area residents, generating $2 million over the next 10 years if passed, to act as a kind of seed money for the hospital. However, Deputy City Manager Joe Parlett says that even with that seed money and additional financial contributions, establishing and running a hospital in West Dayton will cause too much strain on the economy.
Building a new hospital with public funds and management is inefficient and ineffective due to high costs, ongoing maintenance requirements, and significant operational challenges.
Last month, the City Commission clerk labeled the coalition's proposal as invalid, as they did not file which donors and investors they had lined up for the project with the city. However, Capital University legal professor Mark Brown, who is providing legal assistance to the coalition, says the city requiring disclosure of donors and investors may be unconstitutional. He says that having such requirement may violate their First Amendment right to petition.
The Ohio Supreme Court has ruled that an almost identical financial disclosure requirement cannot be used to invalidate a petition.
At the end of the meeting, the City Commission voted to table the matter until further notice.
All in favor say aye. Aye.
At this time, the city's law department will further investigate the validity of the coalition's petition. The City Commission has until July 25th to decide whether or not they will move forward in placing the issue on the November ballot.